Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
JJ Lin performing The Sound of the Falling Snow. And if I'm not mistaken, when we did a video of most streamed song from each country, JJ Lin holds the record for most streamed Singaporean artist music, so good for him. You heard that crowd response? All the ladies.
You hear them, but you never see them.
Right, that's the weirdest thing with the crowd responses. I feel like in every pop, P-pop, K-pop, well, this is not pop, I guess, but like we hear the fans, but whenever the camera shows fans, the fans are not screaming. So like, who's screaming? I wonder what notes they're taking on him. Because you saw the lady writing it down as she watching him. Looked like a judge too.
So the language you're saying is in
Chinese.
Oh, okay. I was trying to figure out what language they speak in Singapore.
Good question. I don't know. We can look it up. Okay, so they speak 4 official languages. English, Malay, Mandarin, and Tamil. I don't know Malay or Tamil, but I guess Mandarin is Chinese, so they do speak Chinese, so it makes sense. And English is de facto main language. You see it? You got to see them screaming.
That's the first silence.
Maybe like this is the competition of like, well, it says Sing China though, so I think this is Sing China competition. Never mind.
Was he a competitor? there? He was just looking.
I don't know, but might be because we've seen him a couple
Yeah,
times.
because he was looking like.
I don't know, maybe.
忘记，却落下的声音。
Very nice, very powerful performance. Good job.
Guys, of course, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Discord. And as always, share as much kindness as possible.